XMG is a company that was born and grown in China. It's the pioneer and the founder of China's construction machinery industry. XMG brand ranked third in the global construction machinery, and we have around 45,000 employees all over the world, and 15 manufacturer bases and KT factories overseas. And XMG has 5 technology centers overseas. So that is about XMG brief introduction. And about the Latin America and the North American market. That is our top priority of XMG's international expansion. So in 2012, we established a manufacturing company in Brazil, so we can support our customer better in the South America. And we hope to find a suitable place, a location to support the North America and Central America. Through many ways, we learned about Mexico. About Mexico, the policy such as IMEX and the International Trade Agreement, I mean it's USMCA, lead us to attract us. And meanwhile, the cost of operation and production. So in 2021, our team arrived in Mexico. We investigate a lot and compare with the advantage, the shortcomings, and combine with our requirements. Finally, we make the decision. We want to work in Mexico. Yes, that's a good question. Also, we made a lot of preparation before invest. We still have many challenges at the starting period. For example, the legally, especially the local legally requirement, such as the environment protection, the fire safety for production enterprise, because we don't have an expert in this area. So we need help at this moment. We found AI, and AI work with us, help a lot to solve these problems. And not only this, but also many aspects such as HR, such as the financial, such as the custom clearance. And AI help us a lot to solve these problems. Of course, just like I mentioned about that, by the end of 2021, our team arrived in Mexico. AI helped us to find the suitable building. This one. And now we are in our facility. And at that moment, we leased this building and updated construction, prepare for the product line. It takes us around 8 months. We finished our construction and output the first finished machine in this facility. After that, we recruit more employees and train them and improve our production so we can support our market a lot. Yes, we really found many benefits. For example, the policy in Mexico, such as the IMEX and VAT, I think it's very helpful for financial flow. I mean it's cash flow. And about the operation cost and the production cost, it's reasonable. And in Monterrey, I think it's more easy to find more people and easy to train them, so we can establish a team in short time, so we can speed up our project. And time is everything. So I think we get many benefits here. Yes, to choose a shelter company is extremely a serious decision for us because it means whole XMG will start in Mexico. So we really did a lot of research, compare with other shelter companies, and we compare a lot and discuss with many companies and have many meetings with I. We found American industry really had a professional team and rich our experience in this area. So we made the decision. And now American industry proved at that moment our decision was correct. Because we are here more than 2 years and we work with AI. We have a really good relationship. We know each other better and we achieve our target. Now our first facility is more stably output our products and in the middle of last year we released a new facility. It's more bigger, so we want to start a new project. All this, I think, American industry help us a lot. Yes, that is a very good question because we start almost at zero. Because at the beginning we almost know nothing about Mexico. When we arrive here, American industry help us investigate in many cities, from Monterrey to Chihuahua to Juarez, and help us to investigate many industry parks until we lease this facility. And at the beginning, they help us to recruit our employee and help us to import equipment and materials for production. All of this, I think, all of this help us to speed up the project.